Ever wanted an endless supply of fresh oyster mushrooms, straight from your own home? Today I'm breaking down how you can make your own oyster mushroom spawn using grain. It sounds technical, but trust me, if you can cook rice, you can do this. Alright, first things first. Gather your materials. You'll need whole grains. Sorghum, corn, or brown rice all work great. Grab a pressure cooker, some clean jars or spawn bags, and of course, your oyster mushroom culture. That could be an agar plate, a little liquid culture, or even a tissue sample. Don't forget gloves, a mask, and some alcohol for cleaning. Cleanliness is everything here. If you've got a still air box or a laminar flow hood, even better for keeping things contamination free. Step 1. Soak your grains, dump them in water and let them chill overnight, around 12 to 24 hours. This hydrates the grains. Mushrooms love moisture. Optional tip toss in a teaspoon of gypsum or lime. It keeps grains from clumping and helps balance pH. Step 2. Boil those grains. You want them soft but not mushy. About 10 to 15 minutes does the trick. Drain them well and spread them out on a clean towel. They should be moist, not dripping wet. Now, fill your jars or spawn bags halfway with these prepped grains. If you're using jars, cover them with a breathable lid. Filter holes are a must for air exchange. Time to sterilize. Pop them in your pressure cooker, crank it up to 15 psi and let it roll for 90 minutes. This is a crucial step. Sterilizing kills off anything that could compete with your mushrooms. Let everything cool down overnight right in the cooker. Step 4 is inoculation. Fancy word, but it just means adding your mushroom culture. You want your workspace super clean here, so use that still air box or flow hood if you have one. Open the jar, drop in a slice of agar culture or inject a few milliliters of liquid culture. Move quickly, keep it sterile, and seal things back up. Now, incubate. Stash your jars or bags in a dark, cozy spot. 20 to 27 degrees Celsius is the sweet spot. After 4 or 5 days, give the grains a gentle shake. This helps the mycelium spread evenly. Then wait. Over the next 10 to 21 days, you'll see the grains turn white as the mycelium takes over. Once it's fully colonized, totally white and fluffy, you've officially made oyster mushroom spawn. You're ready to inoculate bulk substrates like straw, sawdust, or even banana leaves. And just like that, you're well on your way to a homegrown mushroom harvest. Give this a shot, and let me know how your mushroom adventure goes. Happy growing!